Oh boy.
What's up, Hans?
You're moving.
Holy shit, yeah.
Yeah, I put that there.
Oh, you put that there? You
Yeah.
bought me a TV?
You're welcome.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
That's a nice TV. Yeah.
Your credit card.
How
though.
big is it? Oh, my card?
Yeah. So.
I thought you said you bought it.
No, I went to go buy it. But
Oh.
I didn't pay for it. That's a fact.
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
You got mail. Shut the fuck up. Oh damn. Oh. Holy crap.
not even like, hey, this is someone else's house that I'm fucking like house sitting for. Like, no, this is actually my house.
This is very nice.
Let's go.
Oh. I didn't sign up for this, dog.
You're nice.
Yeah, I'll jump off of it once or
No, I didn't
twice.
say that.
Oh.
No, Hans.
I'm going.
No, stop. I said you're only allowed upstairs. Hey! Pick that up. No, walk down the stairs. Hans. Stop. Don't give me that look.
I hate you.
Hans!
You got the new whip, bro. I'm big proud.
We finna downshift on. We got the fucking paddle shifter.
This is cool, bro. No roof. Look at that. No roof. Woo!
What'd I do?
Oh, what's up, y'all? Hey, so the boy Ethan just swung by again. He's gonna pick me up. I'm in my car. I'm pretty lit. I wasn't driving, chill. But he's gonna come pick me up and just give you a little context, just so you all see what's going on. We're gonna be bullying, bro. Hopefully we get into some fucking hooligan shit, dog. Hooligan.
Stay here.
Bruh.
Has this shit been here?
Yeah, you said you were gonna take it. I was actually giving it to you.
Yeah, I ended up leaving it. I was high.
Bruh, I haven't filmed in a minute, and now you're here, bro.
Wait, are you filming?
Yeah,
right now?
I know I'm here.
Are you filming right now?
Yeah,
Yeah.
nigga,
Dude, take
he's
the
talking
camera
about me,
off.
bro.
Hey,
Take the
hey,
camera
bro.
off.
He's talking about me.
Hey,
Yeah.
bro. Hey, slow down, bro. Let me put this shit on at
You
least.
don't need no seatbelt, nigga. I
Bro,
don't need no
you're
seatbelt.
wild, dog.
Bro, this girl doesn't snitch you out.
Oh! Is that you rapping, Christian?
Dogs real quick. We'll find out real
Bro,
quick.
when have you want me on Rocket League, my nigga?
Bruh. Hey, Ethan, we finna adventure, bro. Tell them what we about to do, bro.
So we about to fuck a bunch of guys real quick, bro. Like
Wait a
suck the.
minute. I don't think I came for that.
I'm gonna lock the.
Alright, so we finna drive to SF. Ethan, well, he's from around here, but he ain't from around here. He ain't like it like that no more, bro. So he's gonna drive all the way to SF. No GPS, dog. No GPS. Wait a second. Did you copy Christian?
Bro, this nigga
Nah,
always
bruh.
copying me. Bro,
Bruh.
mine that.
Hey.
Hey, I think that is mine. I
Hey,
lost mine.
Reverse the tapes right now.
Run it back?
Yeah, run it
Wait
back
a
real quick.
second!
Run it
No
back.
problem.
Wait, what you mean run it back?
Nah, bro. Run it back.
Run it back. Bruh, where are we? Dude, this ain't SF, dog. Hey, but seriously, this ain't SF. Where we at, dog?
We're at Ramirez's house.
Who? What?
Ramirez. You don't
What?
remember Ramirez?
No?
We at his house right now.
Where's the lights?
Hey, watch
nigga
this.
good.
Hey, put your feet back in.
Ah, shit.
Nah, nigga. He said put your foot back in.
Put your foot back in, dog.
Man.
Put your foot back in, dog. We out this bitch. Take the phone, dog. Pussy boy. It's over.
Yeah, we
It's
out this
over.
bitch.
It's over.
My phone. Bro. Hey, bro, you left your door.
Hey, just gas it. The door will close on its own, bro.
You will. We'll
Honestly.
be alright.
Hey,
Oh shit. Hey, let's follow it.
hey, hold
Hold on, the door is actually open.
This site, though.
Bro. There's It's automatic out here.
Automatic Tesla, bro. Hey, hold on though. Hold on, Christian. Safety first, homie.
What's that? There's a hole. Put your dick in it. Oh. Just let us pass some nigga. What the fuck? Yeah, we all just weird. Nigga ain't got no seatbelt.
Safety first, dog.
Nigga, how long did that take you?
I couldn't. It's was on the brake. It's
Yeah,
stuck.
fucking goof.
Bro. Oh, do the hotbox and everything.
Yo, Childish Dino, add me on the fucking Insta. Add me on MySpace.
Bro, he said, "Hey, add me on MySpace."
Yeah, you ain't like me.
Yeah, but I ain't like you. I really don't like you.
Nobody
like you either.
Nobody like.
Bruh, you got
Bruh.
25 cents? So we can
Nigga,
see
take
the
your phone.
view?
Why didn't you bring your fucking 25 cents that I left in your car?
That's for my children.
Bruh.
Bruh.
Fuck your children.
That's for my kids, dog.
Hey, honestly, what he doesn't tell you behind the scenes is he don't pay shit of child support.
Bruh, you think I pay child support? Hell nah. We don't pay that shit around here.
I'm popping the nannies with my granny. Always grab that fanny pack. Yeah, we never fucking with rap. That rap pack is the only shit that we fuck with. Logic over here rapping with that boom rap style. Make it worthwhile. When I listen to that shit, it make me smile. But the thing that really makes me smile is sucking Little Nas's dick. Yeah, you know he bi. I went up to his crib and said hi, nigga. He went down on me and said bye, nigga. I don't understand this.
This ain't my car, nigga.
It was fun while it lasted, dog. Like, honestly, bro, it was like, it
Yeah,
was.
bro, this nigga right
Yeah.
there.
That's the rights, bro.
Okay, I got some new shit. I'm sucking Little Nas's pussy.
This my job.
Bro, stop encouraging him.
Bro, this my job. I'm getting paid for this.
Oh shit, the beat over.
You not on a raise, it's 10 on my leg. I dare you to take. As soon as you reach, I call my.
What you want,
Hey,
huh?
drink would you like? What's there?
Oh shit,
Bruh.
fuck.
Pick it for me.
Yeah, pick one for me.
Nigga, there's 3 orders, bro. It's not just you.
Bruh.
You mind if I pay with cents?
Oh, it's just a small minute,
Morning, good.
Hello?
Yeah, can I take an order?
10-piece chicken nuggets, but like 20, right? Like for $5?
Yeah, $5.
Okay. Can I get 7 of them?
Oh! He want all the smoke.
Alright, just don't be a dick.
Bro. Dude, you drifted way too close, dog.
West side.
Oh, dude, it's like those car meets, bro.
If he does now. Oh.
No, nigga, you got.
Oh yeah, bro. You never got a video with Rod? No, you did, but like a long ass time ago.
Did
where
I?
he-
Hey, if I didn't post it, bro, it's in my life. You hacked my iCloud? You fucking hacked. He saw my nudes. Hey, give him back. Give him back. Give him back my nudes. Give him back my nudes. Stop it, Ethan. Why?
Never run from a fiend, man. He'll get you.
Why? Got my nudes. Don't.